Everyone thinks the most popular carpet cleaning solutions for pet stains are the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, you might find some surprising differences that could save your carpets.
Product number 1, Shark Stain Striker. The Shark Stain Striker caught my eye immediately with its powerful stain fighting capabilities and the promise of deep cleaning your carpets, upholstery, and area rugs. Priced at $149.99, it's on the higher end, but if you want a thorough clean, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the Shark Stain Striker stands out. It comes with 4 tools and a bonus full-size solution, making it super versatile. The Deep Clean and Oxy solutions are designed to tackle tough stains and odors, which is exactly what you need when dealing with pet oxidants. With over 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice among pet owners. The convenience of portability means you can easily clean up messes as they happen without lugging a heavy machine around. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit bulky compared to other portable cleaners. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about getting rid of those stubborn stains and don't mind a little extra weight for a powerful clean, it's absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you have multiple pets and need a reliable, powerful cleaner. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight or if you only have the occasional spell. For the price, you're getting a solid solution to keep your home fresh. Now, if the Shark Stain Striker's price point gives you pause, the next one on my list is a great budget-friendly option. Product number 2, Hoover Power Dash. The Hoover Power Dash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner Machine, priced at $109.99. This caught my attention with its lightweight design and the promise of fast drying with its heat force technology. If you want a cleaner that won't break your back or your budget, this is definitely worth a look. The Power Dash is built with an antimicrobial brush roll, which is fantastic for battling pet odors and keeping your carpets fresh. It's designed to be lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around your home and handle those unexpected messes. The heat force technology helps dry your carpets faster, which means you can get back to your normal routine without having to wait hours for everything to dry. With over 4,000 units sold recently, it's clear that pet owners appreciate its effectiveness. However, some users have pointed out that the water tank could be larger, since you might need to refill it often for bigger areas. But honestly, if you're just tackling smaller spots or everyday messes, this isn't a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, efficient cleaner that's easy to use. Skip it if you have large areas to clean frequently, as you might find yourself refilling more often. For the value, it's a great investment for pet owners. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those really tough stains.
Product number 3, Puracy Carpet Cleaner. The Puracy Carpet Cleaner solution comes in at $29.99 and is a fantastic option if you're looking for a concentrated cleaner that's safe for pets and kids. Its citrus scent is refreshing, and if you want something that's both effective and natural, you should definitely check this out. This 4X concentrated formula is low foam, which means it works great with shampooers and won't leave a sticky residue. It's specifically designed to tackle pet stains and odors without harsh chemicals, making it perfect for families who are conscious about safety. With over 800 units sold recently, it's clear this cleaner has found its place in many homes. The fresh citrus scent is a bonus, making your space smell great after cleaning. Some users have mentioned that while it's great for general cleaning, it might struggle with really old or set-in stains. Here's the thing, if you're dealing with fresh messes or occasional accidents, this isn't an issue. But if you have a stubborn stain that's been there for a while, you might need something stronger. This is perfect for you if you want a natural, safe cleaning solution for regular maintenance. Skip this if you have particularly tough stains needing heavy-duty action. For the price, you're getting a concentrated cleaner that's effective and eco-friendly. Now, if you're looking for something specifically designed for tough odors, the next product might be just what you need.
Product number 4, Bissell Woolite Free and Clear. We have the Bissell Woolite Free and Clear Pet Stain and Odor Remover, which is priced at $22.25 for a pack of 2. This product caught my eye because it promises to tackle stains and odors while being free of dyes and perfumes, making it a great choice for sensitive pets. This formula is specifically designed for pet owners, effectively breaking down stains and neutralizing odors thanks to its powerful cleaning agents. The fact that it comes in a pack of 2 means you're getting great value, especially if you have multiple pets. Users have praised it for its effectiveness, and with over 400 units sold recently, it's definitely a popular pick among pet owners.
That said, some reviews noted that it may take a bit of scrubbing for tougher stains. Here's the thing, if you're willing to put in just a little extra elbow grease, it definitely pays off. For those quick cleanups, it works like a charm. This is perfect for you if you have sensitive pets and need a gentle yet effective cleaner. Skip this if you want something that does all the work for you without any scrubbing. For the price, it's a solid choice that caters to sensitive needs. Now, if you want a straightforward spray for quick cleanups, the next product could be the one you're looking for.
Product number 5, Molly Suds Odor Eliminator. We have Molly Suds Pet Odor Eliminator Spray, priced at $17.95. This one really stood out because it uses essential oils to tackle strong odors, which is a huge plus if you're looking for something more natural. This 24 fluid ounce spray is designed specifically for dog and cat urine, making it a great choice for pet owners facing tough smells. The essential oils not only help eliminate odors, but also leave a fresh scent behind. With over 300 units sold recently, many pet owners are finding it effective for their needs. It's easy to use and perfect for those quick cleanups when accidents happen. Some users have mentioned that it might not work as well on set-in stains compared to other cleaners. But honestly, if you're primarily dealing with fresh messes, this won't be a problem. It's designed for odor elimination rather than deep cleaning. This is perfect for you if you want a fast-acting spray for odors and occasional messes. Skip this if you're looking for a deep cleaner for old stains. For the price, it's a great option for quick fixes and keeping your space smelling fresh.
So there you have it. The Shark Stain Striker offers powerful cleaning, while the Hoover Power Dash is lightweight and efficient. The Puracy solution is natural and safe. Bissell Woolite is gentle for sensitive pets, and Molly Suds provides a fresh scent for quick odor control. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.